How you can easily repost videos in the spotlight section of Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on a device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on your spotlight section at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you do that, you can select any of the spotlights over here. Now if you want to repost these videos, what you can simply do is tap on this icon over here, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. You can see different menus. So just tap on this arrow option over here, and as you do that, you'll be able to repost the snap. So here you can see you have reposted this snap. Now all you have to do is just go to your profile over here and just scroll down and see on the spotlight or your favorites, tap on view all, and there you go, you have reposted your videos in the spotlight section of Snapchat. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.